Yummy waffles? It's easy. No need to go to the cafe every time for your favorite warm, fragrant dessert. No need to compromise on quality. Feed the whole family with homemade waffles, not those from stores.
Forget about it. Because with the new Flip waffle maker from Berlinger Haus, you will discover a whole new world of Belgian waffles.
Kids and grandkids will ask you to cook them again. You have never made such delicious waffles before.
What's the secret? Many. Flip waffle maker. Waffle maker turns 180 degrees. This means that each waffle will be baked perfectly evenly. Flip waffle maker. Powerful, bakes 4 waffles at once. Second secret.
Flip waffle maker plates with non-stick titanium coating and possess a deeper construction. Add any filling to waffles to suit your taste. Sweet or salty, perfect layered waffles in 3 steps.
Everyone adores these waffles, and children relish cooking with their parents. Because everything is effortless and incredibly uncomplicated. The Pliable Flip waffle maker indicates when waffles are ready. Indicator lights up green. Consume.
And also adjustable temperature control and a stainless steel body. A removable drip tray. Compact size and beautiful design, rose gold.
Why torment with old waffle irons that are hard to add filling? With the Flip waffle maker, quickly and effortlessly make delicious waffles in your kitchen. No more torture, just perfect waffles.
Crispy outside, soft inside, lush with filling, decide, sweet with apple, cinnamon, cherry, or chalk. Or salty waffle pizza, French toast with ham or fish. Flip waffle maker will cook everything you desire. Activate your imagination and flip waffle maker on.
Forget about the mountains of dishes left after cooking. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert.
Simple and delicious. Flip waffle maker.
Enjoyment of waffles for the whole family.
Your inspiration, Flip waffle maker.
Amaze, impress, inspire.